Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pole saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hosco 14 feet pole saw, which is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those looking to get the job done without breaking the bank. This manual pole saw comes in at just $39.99, making it the most affordable item on our list. It features an adjustable length of up to 14 feet, allowing you to tackle both high and low trimming tasks. The saw uses a razor-sharp, three-sided blade with a double-sided barb design, ensuring efficient and clean cuts on branches from oak to palm fronds. The build quality is surprisingly robust for its price, with rust-resistant stainless steel poles and an aluminum handle. It's lightweight at just 4.64 pounds, which makes it manageable for extended use, although the manual operation means it's best suited for lighter tasks. The Hosco is simple to disassemble and store, making it perfect for those with limited storage space. While it's not the most powerful or feature-rich option, the Hosco shines in its simplicity and affordability. If you're looking for a no-fuss manual pole saw for occasional use in your yard or garden, this is a great pick. That said, it may not be ideal for heavy-duty work or thicker branches. Coming in at number 4 is the Vaver manual pole saw. This saw offers an impressive extension length of up to 27 feet, making it one of the longest options on the market. It's a versatile tool designed for trimming high branches as well as lower tasks, thanks to its detachable fiberglass poles. The blade is made of carbon steel with a Teflon coating, ensuring durability and rust resistance. Additionally, the dual hook design on the blade allows you to remove stuck branches with ease, improving efficiency. The double lock mechanism provides a secure and stable connection between the poles, and despite its length, the lightweight fiberglass construction ensures it's manageable for extended use. However, at 14.8 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other manual options on this list. The included storage bag is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to keep all components organized. The Vaver is ideal for homeowners or landscapers who need to tackle taller trees without relying on ladders. While it's manual, the extended reach and sturdy build make it a solid choice for more demanding pruning tasks. The main drawback is its weight, which might be tiring for prolonged use, but overall, it's a reliable and versatile tool. At number 3, we have the Wallen Pole Saw, which boasts a 3-in-1 design combining a handsaw, pole saw, and pruning scissors. With an adjustable length of up to 27 feet, it's perfect for reaching the tallest branches without a ladder. The manganese steel blade features a sharp, three-sided cutting edge and double-sided barb design for precise and efficient cutting. For smaller branches, the pulley-operated pruning mechanism with spring-action jaws is a great addition. This pole saw is built to last, with durable fiberglass poles that are lightweight yet sturdy. It also includes an Oxford fabric storage bag for convenient portability and storage. Weighing in at 14.62 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but its threaded pole connections ensure stability during use, which is critical for safety and accuracy. The Wallen is perfect for those looking for a versatile manual saw capable of handling both delicate pruning and heavier cutting tasks. Although it's priced slightly higher at $99.99, its multifunctionality and robust construction justify the cost. However, it may not be the best choice for those who prefer a lighter tool for less demanding jobs. Taking the runner-up spot is the Vodest 2-in-1 cordless pole saw. This innovative tool combines a mini chainsaw with a telescopic pole, offering flexibility for both low-level and high-reach cutting tasks. The adjustable extension pole can reach up to 15 feet, making it ideal for trimming taller trees. With its upgraded brushless motor, the Vodest delivers 90% more power and 300% more efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors, ensuring quick and clean cuts. One of its standout features is the adjustable cutting angle, which you can modify from 0 degrees to 180 degrees for greater precision. The saw also includes two 21V 4000 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing up to 8 hours of continuous operation. The automatic lubrication system keeps the chain running smoothly, reducing wear and extending its lifespan. Safety is a priority as well, with features like a double safety lock, non-slip handle, and included goggles and gloves. Overall, the Vodest is an excellent choice for those who prefer the convenience of a cordless electric saw. While it comes with a higher price tag and is slightly heavier, its performance and versatility make it a worthy investment for homeowners and professionals alike. Finally, at number 1, we have the EWork 20V 8-inch cordless pole saw, the premium option on our list. This saw combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it the ultimate choice for tree trimming tasks. Its 8-inch saw blade and 91px chain offer fast and precise cutting, while the adjustable extension pole can reach up to 14.2 feet, allowing you to trim hard-to-reach branches safely and efficiently. The EWork stands out for its automatic oiling system, which ensures the chain is always lubricated for smoother operation and reduced wear. Weighing just 6.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods. The double safety lock and ergonomic handle provide added safety and comfort, while the included battery and charger ensure you're ready to go right out of the box. Priced at $109.99. The EWork is the most expensive option here, but its performance, build quality, and ease of use justify the investment. It's ideal for homeowners, landscapers, and anyone looking for a reliable, professional-grade cordless pole saw. With a 1-year warranty and stellar customer reviews, the EWork is a top-notch choice for all your tree trimming needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.